Hi, I'm Russ Simonis from Deadfoot Arms LLC. We're doing a walkthrough today on the Deadfoot Arms modified cycle system with folding stock adapter. This folding stock adapter is a drop-in kit for direct impingement or gas piston operated AR-15 rifles or pistols. It comes in a right side or left side folding option. We have the right side folded here. A little bit how this system works on the design. Because this system can be fired in the folded configuration, we've created easy access to the fire control group and then easy quick deployment, a button-free deployment, so you can transition from the folded position to the firing position or shoulder position quickly, as I'll show here. The brace that we have on this system today is a new brace that we're releasing on April 15th is when it'll be shipping. It's available now at deadfootarms.com. This is our Deadfoot Arms Grx brace with Gearhead Works tail hook. If you guys are familiar with the tail hook from Gearhead Works, it is an ATF approved pistol brace that simply opens up and allows you to put your arm through there for more steady position to use in an AR pistol configuration. How the modified cycle system works is, in order to create a system where you could fire while folded, we use a buffer-free dual spring recoil system and a shortened M16A2 bolt carrier group. What's important about the bolt carrier group, yes, I understand it is proprietary in nature. However, this bolt carrier group is identical in every way, shape, or form except for the 1 3/8" of material that we removed off the front. We have a lot of customers who actually order our folding stock kits and send their bolt carrier groups in to us at Deadfoot Arms LLC. We modified over 500 of them for customers in 2017, and it actually knocks $125 off the price of the kit. So we've done just about all of them that you can imagine, and just about any can be modified as long as it's the full auto bolt carrier group. If you go on our website, you can find more information on that under bolt carrier modification program. The modified cycle system right now is compatible with 5.56, 223, 300 blackout, 7.62 by 39, 6.5 Grendel, and 6.8 special. And then we also offer it for 9mm in pistol caliber carbines. All those are available right now. You should note, if you're going to run 6.5 or 6.8 special, just swap your bolt into our carrier and you're good to go from there. Just a quick look at the folding action and how it works with the kit. Basically, to open up the stock, there's just a wide button here on the bottom. You just push the button in, you hit it, it folds over, and then it'll lock in a little bit to the side here just so you have some positive retention when the stock is folded. When you want to deploy the stock, as I demonstrated earlier, it's a tension lock, so you can just pull it back. This is going to lock and it's going to engage back to a solid unit. It's a nice, steady, sturdy lockup. So that's the overview on the modified cycle system. Again, the modified cycle system is out and it's available at deadfootarms.com. If you want to look elsewhere, we've got many retailers across the United States. Some of the larger ones, Rainier Arms, Joe Bob's Outfitters, and we have a dealer in almost every state in the United States at this point.
Good.
Yeah, well, thank you for your time, gentlemen. If you have questions on any of our products, feel free to join us at www.deadfootarms.com. You can fill out a contact form, or you can just email us at info@deadfootarms.com, and we'll follow up with you as soon as possible.